Okay, this is the Asian session review for Wednesday, the 26th of August, 2026. As I flagged in my levels and context video before the session opened, there was every chance that price was either going to run to the previous day's high based on that doji daily close where we had rejected the previous day's high, or price was going to perhaps collapse a little and come back to last week's high, which got closed above on Monday. Then that high got retested in yesterday's New York session as well. And the latter, played out just beautifully. The difficulty of being a trader is even when you win, you end up kicking yourself because you either exited too early or something shook you out of the trade. Sometimes even harder to deal with than a quick losing trade. So for me, only the one trade today. I did get an added position. That's always a positive. Uh, for the first hour, price is traded in the closing hourly range, broke cleanly out of that straight into the upper value line in the zone, didn't even touch it, had this tiny sweep, which was a down one, which swept an inside candle by one tick on a 5-minute chart, and that was enough to trigger price cascading all the way down from the upper value line through the pivot to yesterday's point of control, tagging the previous week's high and the lower value line. So it's gone value to value in the Asian session. Did I expect it to move directionally like that? Hell no, but it did. So my exit was as per my rules for 0.75R, and then I exited at the low of the day and left a huge amount on the table. My trail does help me keep in that trade, and it would have been nice if it would have just got to the pivot, and that's a nice little R trade. But yeah, going all the way down to the point of control, that was, if you could held your trade all the way down to there, that would have been a beautiful day. Still made money, and price ever since Shanghai opened has bounced strongly from that area, which is to be expected. So that'll do me for today, and see how price plays out for the rest of the day.